Hi, my name is Paul and this is Indrik from PiCycles here in Mallow. Today we're going to build a full carbon bike, in this instance a Stark Visionaire. We're going to finish it with a SRAM Rival 22 group set, zip, bar, stem and seat post. It's the Zip SL Superlight, speed play pedals, American Classic carbon 38s wheel set and Continental tyres and tubes. Okay, let's get started. So, when you come to us at PiCycles, we help you decide your type of bike, depending on your style of riding and of course your budget. We then measure you using our professional bike fitting system to optimize your comfort and performance. Next, we choose the particular frame type, such as aluminium, steel, titanium or carbon. We then choose the components including group set, finishing kit, wheels, pedals, saddle, tyres, to name a few. The choice is yours. Once your bike is built to your specifications, we bring you in for a final fit and then the road is yours. Okay, here's the finished bike, ready for road. For your bike, call into PiCycles today.